farm. This hands-on set of colorful farm animals will provide hours of play and boost reading readiness for 3-year-olds and up. This farm has 36 lovable farm animals, 6 in each set. 12. So your child can learn at their pace using 3-dimensional visual associations to visualize reading readiness concepts. Your early learner will start with matching, move on to scanning, from left to right, the building blocks of reading. Shape identification and visual associations and visual differentiation. To learn to read, your little Einstein will learn letter sounds. Combining kinesthetic or tactile learning and visual learning helps to form the connections in the child's brain and